Welcome. Movement by design. What does that mean? Well, we've learnt about breathing by design. Posture is the next thing that is equally as important on the list, right up there at the top. You might have seen someone at some point walking across a room with a pile of books on their head. The ladies especially being taught how to walk in a prim and proper manner. But in order for those books to not fall off your head, you need to be able to walk tall, allowing your legs to lead the way. You may or may not be surprised at how many of us tend to walk with a slant. We're leaning into our walk, we're in a hurry, we want to get from A to B quickly. What you will find is that if you move as you've been designed, which is your legs to support your upper body and to carry your upper body, you will notice a difference on your overall physical health and even mental well-being. It's really amazing how it spills over into every arena. When it comes to speaking and when it comes to singing, posture is really, really important. If we want our voice to be at its optimum, then we need to have posture within the equation. So in this video, I'm just going to encourage you to take some time out and to do something fun. And this really is fun. It's slow-mo movement, slow motion. The task is you need to set aside a certain amount of time. Give yourself, maybe you want it to be as part of your wind down routine before going to bed. If you've got a day off work, why don't you, if you have nothing else planned, spend time in slow motion for the day? You will be absolutely amazed at how it makes you feel. So, I want you to move very slowly, and as you move, I want you to be aware of your posture. Your legs are going to carry you, and your upper body is going to feel tall, like a tree trunk, like it's not moving, but literally your legs are carrying your upper body. And then become aware of your breathing. As you're walking really slowly and your arms are moving slowly, feel and notice how it begins to slow down. It slows down, and then this remarkable thing happens. This rhythm. You feel yourself get into a rhythm, which is, I guess I would say, rhythm by design. It's a remarkable sensation of everything falling into sync. If there are things out of a line, it's the sensation of everything just coming back into alignment, giving you the chance to be. So before you go into your presentation, take time out. Let everything slow down and calm down. Breathe nice and slowly. Get into the flow of how that will feel. Feeling relaxed.